I can already smell the trees, Dad.
Good nose. Let's wait for Jake.
I could just stay here. Nobody would even notice.
Jake, we are leaving in 5 minutes. I'd rather stay home, Con. Wait, no, I wouldn't. Just try it. That is all I am asking. Fine.
Your laces, Jake. Both of them.
They're fine. I'll fix them later. Both straps. It sits better that way.
Okay. Jake, look there. A big spider web.
Cool. Red arrow means north. This is how we know we are on the right trail.
Got it.
See the darker leaves on this side? Less sunlight. The trail keeps lighter patches on your left.
Did you hear what Dad said about the leaves?
Yeah. Lighter patches, left side. Come on. I need the signal back.
Sun on your right means you are heading north. Remember that.
Right side, heading north.
Got it.
Dead. Of course it is dead out here. Oh. I did not notice any of that before.
Nice, right? Worth coming for? It is kind of nice, actually.
Okay. No screen. Just look at all this.
5-minute rest here. We are doing well.
Oh, that thing is huge. No battery, but I can still do this. What are you doing? Saving the memory. Since my tablet is dead, where are you all going? You have a whole system. Okay, they are just around the bend. That is fine. Left or right? Come on now, Jake. Just think. Red arrow. Go left. Red arrow means north, sun on my right. That means I am heading north. That is the right way. I actually paid attention. Lighter patches on the left. 2 in a row. Good sign. I am going the right way. There they are. I actually found my way back.
I took the wrong turn for a second. I used the arrows.
Good.
He is not going to say, "I told you so"?
Nope. That is not Dad's style.
Is that the top? It is so bright.
Almost there. Keep going.
I'd rather stay home, Sarat. Wait, no, I wouldn't.
No. I really do not want that anymore. You found your way back on the trail. I was actually listening to Dad.
He found his own way back.
He did. Good kid.
Still saving memories?
This one is a good one. Ready to head back when you are. There is no rush.
5 more minutes. We are coming back here. I want to find the ant trail again.
This is a good morning. This is exactly what I wanted.
What is that? Something is in the grass. Oh, Fell, you fell. Come here, little one.
Sophie Taupe, what did you find?
A baby bird. It fell from the nest.
A fledgling. It is learning. This is normal for this age.
It looks so small and still.
Leave it where it is, Sophie.
But it needs help. What if something finds it? It cannot fly yet.
I hear you. Let me explain why we leave it. The mother is watching from somewhere close. She is waiting for us to move back.
How do you know she is close?
The mother still wants it back. That is what matters.
Then why has she not come down yet?
Because we are still here. Give it room, and it will work.
But I just want to help.
Let us watch from inside. That is the best help right now.
Okay, but I am watching. Is that a baby bird? It is really small. It fell from the nest. Dad says to leave it.
It still has not moved. What if the mother does not come back?
We wait.
It is going to be fine. Just wait. Dad is right. I will just check on it. One look, that is all.
I am coming back. Do not worry. I am not going to hurt you. You are breathing. Good. You are going to be okay. I will just put you somewhere safe. Just for a minute. Wait, Dad. There is something up there on that branch. She is there. She was watching the whole time. Okay. I am stepping back right now. I am not taking it. I am walking away now. Come down. I am far enough. Please come down. Is the mum there? On the low branch. She is watching. She has been up there this whole time, hasn't she? The whole time. She is down. Ugh. Do not move. Do not make a sound. There. That is what I would have stopped. But I just want to help. I am helping. This is helping.
Dad was right, wasn't he?
Yeah. He was. They are gone. That is the good ending.
How did it go?
They are both gone. She came for it. I nearly picked it up. I went back out. I had my hand almost touching it.
And then?
The mother was on that branch. She had been there the whole time.
She was waiting for space.
I thought helping meant doing something. But doing nothing was the thing.
Yes.
Jake told me you went back out.
I did.
And you figured it out yourself.
I did. I saw you grab my arm when the mum came down. I did not grab my arm.
I hope you found your way back up.
We can definitely do this. How hard can it be? I am reading the steps first.
The guide says to peg the corners first.
That is the slow way. Watch. Canvas flat first. Then the pegs hold it in place. The poles go up first. The canvas follows. My way is better.
My way is better.
My way is better.
Poles up first, then slide the canvas on from the top.
That only works if the ground is flat. Pegs first means the tent cannot blow away while you build. It is not windy.
This should be interesting.
Give him a minute.
Did it just fall over completely?
No. It is resting on the ground. Your canvas is pulling. The corners are not square.
I see that. I was getting there. My way is better. I just need the base anchored. The base is pegged already. That is the whole point.
Should we step in and help them?
Not yet. Give them time.
The sky is getting gray. My way is still better. Help me repeg this corner.
Rain is coming. You have 15 minutes.
15 minutes?
We are not going to finish in time if we keep doing this separately.
No. We are not. Poles first. You hold the base. I have it. Go. Peg is in. Go to the next one. On it.
There it is. They figured it out.
There it is. Good.
Canvas over pan, now pull your side down.
I see it. Almost.
Last peg. Hit it in hard. In. It is done.
Get in. Get in now!
It held! It actually held!
That was very close.
We had it the whole time.
I can actually hear the rain.
That is why the canvas matters.
So, my way worked pretty well in the end, right?
Your poles worked. My pegs held them up. Which part is your way? Both parts.
Sorry. Both parts. That is a good answer.
Okay. The poles needed the pegs, and the pegs needed the poles.
Yes, my way is better. My way is better. Our way is better. Our way is better.
You both had the right piece. You just needed the other person's piece too.
Yeah. Anyone want some trail mix while we wait?
Yes! Give me the chocolate ones.
This is actually a really good tent we built. The pole hold is good. I should have used the pegs from the start. Did you just say you should have used my pegs first? I said the pegs, not your pegs. That is a really good tent.
Those are really good builders.
Still raining out there. We are staying in here.
Next time we set up together from the start. Agreed.
Well done today, both of you.
Our way is better.
Good pace. We should reach the lookout in about 20 minutes.
How do you know which way?
Dad always knows the way. He always has. He has never once gotten us lost.
Fair point.
The junction should be here. But this section looks different. This part of the map is not reading right.
Everything okay, Dad?
You slowed down.
Just checking the trail. Give me a second. He has looked at the map 3 times now.
So?
When Dad knows where he is, he checks the map once, not 3 times.
Oh.
I think we need to find the trail markers.
Which way do you think it is?
I am not sure which way. The map blurred in the rain.
Dad always knows the way. He always has.
I know some things. I just need a moment to use them.
What do you know?
Red arrow means north. He taught me that.
The sun is still there behind the clouds. It is behind my left shoulder. That puts north to my right. We go right.
Sophie! Come here. There is a red arrow on this tree.
Red arrow, right direction, sun position, all match.
That is our trail. Good. You found it.
You taught us to light.
You taught us to look for it.
We go right. Stay on the path.
Lead on.
Another marker. Left side. We are on the right path.
Keep going.
The light is getting brighter ahead. The trees are thinning out. That is the lookout clearing. I can see the open sky. Come on, then.
They are doing it exactly right. Both of them.
That is it. We made it. We found the way back.
There you are. I was beginning to wonder.
We had to find the way on our own.
The map blurred in the rain. Jake found the arrow. Sophie read the sun.
I knew you would find it.
You taught us everything we used.
You used it. That is the part I could not do for you.
Dad always knows the way. He always has. We always find the way. All of us together.
That is better. Keep that one.
I will.
You did well out there. Jake did well too. He found the first arrow.
Sophie did the sun direction. I just found the arrow.
We covered both. That view was worth finding today.
And worth teaching them to find.
There is an arrow on the way out, too, in case we needed it.
We did not need it. We did not need it.
Good thing I taught them. The map was not enough today. Same trail back?
I know the markers now.
Lead the way.
First marker should be on the left, about 10 trees in.
I see it already. We always find the way.
All of us together.
We always find the way.